Mobility, a key way for companies to be more efficient when it comes to IT budgets. IT analyst Ross Dawson saying better collaboration can increase competitiveness.
There's a few things which, few types of technologies which support that contribution from people inside the organization, that the participation and the flow, and also ones that create both greater efficiencies in the organization and and greater productivity. So some of the tools that enable that are, first of all, mobility, so that people can not just have mobile email, but also be able to be involved in their business processes as they move around. What's the broad array of what are being called Web 2.0 technologies, such as blogs and wikis and social networks in the enterprise that enable a greater understanding of where the resources are and enable people to collaborate more effectively, efficiently, and get products to market quicker. And I think an increasingly important application is video, where people can, not just in formal video conferences, but also desktop to desktop, just where people are, or from mobile devices, to have conversations, to be able to engage in business relationships which create value. So these are some of the technologies which I think are critical for building collaborative, high-performance organizations will be successful both in challenging times now and also to be positioned for the upturn when it comes before long.
Do you have any examples of large companies that have already invested in these kinds of solutions?
Certainly there's many organizations, both globally and in Australia, that have been investing in these technologies in a variety of ways. I mean, one company that has been innovative in the space is Westpac. We're using a whole variety of new tools to be able to get greater participation, greater visibility, and better ways of working. The CSIRO in Australia is again using a whole array of different tools for how it communicates both inside the organization and outside the organization. And I've got many of the major large organizations and financial services and professional services have tried to find ways to be able to particularly tap the inclinations of some of the younger, more talented people who are used to using many of these technologies in their everyday lives and are trying to find them expect to see them as part of the way in which they work and look for these as ways to work better and more efficiently and productively.